Welcome back. Jewish were not the only community classified as undesirable. Only Jewish were not there who were classified as undesirable. There were many other communities like gypsies, blacks, those who were living in Nazi Germany. They were also considered as racial inferior and who threatened the biological purity of the superior Aryan race. So Nazists, they thought that gypsies and black, those who were living in Nazi Germany, they considered them as inferiors, racial inferiors, because they who will threaten the biological purity of superior Aryan. So they were widely prosecuted. Even Russian and Poles were considered subhuman and hence undeserving of any humanity. Even Russian and Poles also, they were considered subhuman and they also do not deserve any kind of humanity. Now, when Germany occupied Poland and parts of Russia, captured civilians were forced to work as slave labor. When Germany occupied Poland and some parts of Russia under their control, so the civilians, those who were living in those areas, they were forced to work as slave labor, and many of them died simply because of too much hard work and starvation. Starvation means lack of food. So no food were given to them for eating, and yet they were doing so hard work, so many of them died. Jewish remained the worst sufferer in Nazi Germany. Jewish were the community which was the worst sufferer in Nazi Germany. Nazi hatred of Jews has a precursor in the traditional Christian hostility towards Jewish. Nazi people, they hate Jewish too much. Nazis, they hate Jewish because they had been stereotyped as killers of Christ and usherers. So Jewish, they were seen as killers of Jesus Christ and usherers. Usherers means money lender charging excessive interest, often used as term of abuse. So usherer means the people, those who are lending money and they are charging excessive interest on them. So Jewish were considered as the killer of Christ and usherers. So until medieval times, Jews were barred from owning land. So till the medieval time, Jewish, they were barred from owning any kind of land. That means Jewish, they did not have any kind of land. So they survived mainly through trade and money lending. They lived in separately marked area called ghettos. So these Jewish, they used to live in a separate area because they were not considered as equal Nazis or any other community. So they were living in a separate area which is marked for Jewish only, and it is called ghettos. They were often persecuted through periodic organized violence and expulsion from the land. So Jewish, they were often persecuted, they were often killed through periodic organized violence. After some period, after some duration of time, and organized violence is created and Jewish were killed during that, and sometimes they were and expulsion from the land as well. However, Hitler hatred of Jewish was based on pseudoscientific theories of race. Now, why Hitler hate Jewish? It was based on pseudoscientific. Pseudoscientific means a false belief theory, a false theory of race, because Hitler believes in racism. So he discriminate on the basis of race, and which held the conversion was no solution to Jewish problem. And he Hitler believed that if they convert, their conversion was no solution to Jewish problem. If they convert their community, then it is not a permanent solution. So it could be solved only through their total elimination. And Hitler thought that the problem of this Jewish community, it can be solved only through their elimination when they are no more in the society. Now, from 1933 to 1938, the Nazis terrorized, pauperized, and segregated the Jewish, compelling them to leave the country. Now, during this year, from 1933 to 1938, Nazis, they terrorized Jewish and forced them to leave the country. And the next phase, which was started from 1939 to 1945, they concentrating them. Nazis, they aimed at concentrating them in certain areas and finally killing them in gas chambers in Poland.